Hello everyone, my name is Ashik Kumar Barman and I am from Bogura, Bangladesh. I am currently studying Environmental Science and Disaster Management at Daffodil International University in Bangladesh. I am passionate about environmental protection, sustainability, development and disaster risk reduction. These subjects inspire me because they help create a safer and healthier future for people and the planet. I completed my SSC from Bogura Jilla School in 2019 and my HSC from Government Aizola College in 2021. Throughout my academic journey, I have always tried to improve my knowledge, skills and understanding of environmental and social issues. One of my main interests is environmental conservation. I enjoy learning about climate change, pollution control, waste management, renewable energy, and sustainable resource management. I believe that protecting the environment is one of the most important responsibilities of our generations. I am also interested in disaster risk reduction, disaster management, and emergency response. Bangladesh is a country that frequently faces natural disasters such as floods, cyclones, and river erosion. Therefore, I want to learn how to reduce disaster risk and help communities become more resilient and prepared for future challenges. In addition to my academic studies, I have developed skills in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. These tools help prepare reports, analyze information, create presentations, and complete academic projects efficiently. I can communicate in Bangla, English, and Hindi language. Being able to speak multiple languages helps me interact with different people and work efficiently in diverse environments. My strengths include being a quick learner, responsible, hardworking, and adaptable person. I enjoy working both independently and as part of a team. I always try to complete my tasks on time and maintain a positive attitude when facing challenges. I believe that continuous learning is the key to personal and professional growth. Therefore, I always look for opportunities to gain new knowledge, develop practical skills, and improve myself. During my university life, I have participated in various academic activities and group projects. This experience have helped me improve my communications, teamwork, leadership, and problem-solving skills. They have also taught me the importance of collaboration and effective planning. My career goal is to become an environmental professional in the environmental sector and contribute to projects that promote sustainability, environmental protection, and disaster resilience. I would like to work with organizations that are committed to creating positive environmental and social impacts. As a student of environmental science and disaster management, I am looking for opportunities to gain practical experience through internships, research projects, and training programs and professional collaborations. I am eager to learn from experienced professionals and apply my academic knowledge and real world situations. I am confident that my dedication, willingness to learn, and a strong interest in environmental science will help me make meaningful contributions in my future career. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume and learn more about me.